coke there. Boom. Then all of a sudden, a lady comes to me. How much is the coke check? $5. Yo, I made $100, I promise. Because niggas were starting to catch on like, yo, I was just laying low in the back, sitting down on a stool. And I was collecting everybody's coke. And I broke out. I didn't even work there. And that was a free gift. And I was having a boring night, so I went there. Yo, I was having a boring night, so I went there. I was like, yo, it's boring. Let me go ahead. Everywhere I was
filming shit for. Fuck, nigga. Damn.
Because this is the filming world now, baby.
This nigga's always filming. Got me on Facebook.
That shit off the top of your head. Look like you was diving into that shit.
You want to give a shout out to the New Yorkers?
Give a shout out to New York.
New York, New York.
How about Jersey, baby? You heard it.
It's Baby New York. It's called Baby New York.
The bricks. Newark, where the crime is high. That's right. Where the blacks kill the blacks. It's where, this is where the blacks kill the blacks. High rate of black on black crime. High rate of black on black crime. Where the gangsters at that kills the cops? You know what black on black crime called? Not gangster, baby. It's called ignorant.
Talk to me.
Sorry. See that?
300. I told you, bro. Man, this probably do like you said you gonna do. She said I'm gonna give her one. I'm gonna bring that bitch to New York. I'm gonna bring the bitch. That nigga gonna start. He gonna go crazy. Right there.